Settings Manager settings are used to set up and modify infrequent tasks such as setting up and changing the chart of accounts or adding custom fields to forms. Business details business name and address is entered and updated. Business logos are added to be displayed and printed on documents. Capital subaccounts are set up and managed. Chart of accounts the chart of accounts is set up, update and organized using this setting. Currencies by default, Manager operates without any designated currency. No currency symbols are displayed on forms or reports. If your business operates entirely in a single currency, this may be sufficient. You can, however, set a base currency. You must set a base currency if you will be using foreign currencies. Manager also allows you to define foreign currencies. Date number format in Manager. You can customize the date format to match your culture or local business practices. Date options include day, month, and year format and order. In the Settings tab, click the Date Number Format link. In Manager, you can also set the time format to match your culture or local business practices. Time format options include digit group size and AM/PM annotation. Manager uses and displays time only in the history file. Email settings allow the user to set up email accounts. Expense claim payers sets up employees, owners, and others who submit expense claims for reimbursement. Bank rules to save time. You can import bank statement transactions instead of manually entering them. Receipt rules are decision criteria you define so Manager can automatically categorize or post receipts to correct accounts and payers when you import bank statements. Payment rules are decision criteria you define so Manager can automatically categorize or post payments to correct accounts and payees when you import bank statements. Billable expenses this setting records and bills expenses incurred on behalf of a customer. Cash flow statement groups this is a mechanism to allow a more compact cash flow statement. Rather than showing every single account, groups can be shown instead. Control accounts this setting allows the user to create custom control accounts that you create yourself to segregate and give visibility to selected subsidiary ledgers that would otherwise be assigned to a built-in control account. Recurring transactions such as recurring sales and purchases are set up and modified using this setting. Tax codes are set up and rates established. Lock date in Manager. Closing an accounting period is not required. TIS setting allows a lock date to be set to prevent any changes that affect financial ledgers on or before a desired date. Payslip items are specific elements that can appear on payslips. They are necessary so entries on employees' payslips will be posted to the proper account or accounts. Therefore, you must define at least one payslip item before you can issue your first payslip. Every payslip item must be one of three types: earnings, deductions, contributions, obsolete features no longer supported.